stop till you get enough. Just try and, instead of just playing the riff, if you try and provide some kind of chords, I just go. And then when it goes to that kind of bridge, well, maybe bridge or chorus, I don't know which one it is, but I just kind of go away from that and give it a bit more energy up here. Then you got the so the chords there is like B and then A over E and then E over F sharp, then G sharp minor 7 and then G sharp minor 7 A B. Obviously the bass is playing that anyway. And then sometimes if it's particularly loud and good sounding, and you don't need to play the chords, you could do the kind of that synth line, just go for a big sort of solo like a synth would, but just start off with the like the part is on the track, and then whatever after that really.